this time I'll be making Mexican rice, and I'm starting with warming up the pan. I'll put it on medium level. And now I'll insert the vegetable oil, or the coconut oil if you may. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of this. Okay, now we'll wait for this to warm up. Okay, so I have put the onions in. Now I'll put 1 cup of tomato saute. Whatever! Okay. I'm gonna make sure I put all of it in. Now, we'll wait for 1 minute, or 2. So now that the onions and tomato sauce has softened, I will add the rice. Yes, I'll add the rice and I'll mix it. Okay, the rice is added. Okay, now we'll wait 5 minutes. I'll keep stirring frequently until it goes a golden brown. Okay, so the rice has been cooking for more than 20 minutes, more like 25. So let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks like the broth has fully come in. I think it's time to stop it.